Thought for the day. Newspapers are the voice of the people. Reading them daily is the first prerequisite for being an alert citizen. 1. The Commonwealth Games will be held in Glasgow, Scotland, from July 23 to August 2. For the first time, Indian athletes and officials will wear official attire made from a jute viscose blend. This outfit is 100% biodegradable. This marks the first international multi-sport event where a national contingent will wear jute-based clothing. The Indian contingent will comprise 124 members. The attire was jointly created by the National Jute Board, Gloucester Jute Mills, and NIFT. 2. Under Section 39 of the Biological Diversity Act, 2002, the government has designated the Natural History Museum at Mizoram University as the country's 21st designated repository. A designated repository is an institution where certified biological samples are preserved. These samples are used for species identification, research, and record keeping. 3. For the first time in Gujarat, 2 air-filled rubber dams are being constructed using South Korean technology. These are being built on the Heron and Ambika rivers. They will facilitate increased irrigation, groundwater recharge, water storage, and flood control. Water is retained by inflating them with air, while during floods, the air is released to allow excess water to flow safely. They can withstand temperatures up to 50 degrees Celsius. 4. The Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation released the report of the Technical Advisory Committee on the Index of Services Production. The base year has been set as 2024-25. Its first trial release is scheduled for July 14. This will be the first index to measure the monthly performance of the country's formal services sector. 5. Australian star opener Beth Mooney has once again become the world's #1 batter in the ICC Women's T20 batting rankings. She has achieved this top spot for the 5th time in her career. Among Indian batters, Smriti Mandhana is ranked 5th, Shefali Verma 6th, and Harmanpreet Kaur 10th. In the bowling rankings, India's Sri Charani retains the #1 spot.